Guys, so today I'm gonna do a watch me work video. I sped up the beginning because it's just a part of my prep. Basically, I glued the tips on to my nails and then I'm just thinning the tip out. So here I'm just using a nail clipper to trim down my nails. Here I'm just pre-shaping the nails before I lay down my acrylic. This part is optional, but I like to rough up the nail tips so that when I lay the acrylic, it won't slide off.
No other eyes reveal. No other eyes reveal.
I'm starting the priming process. I'm just using Young Nail Swipe to clean off the nail. And now I'm just going to use Mia Secrets Dehydrate to remove any shine and oils from the nail. And now I'm just using Young Nails Protein Bond. This is the best bond out there. This is what makes my nail sets last over a month. This stuff is perfect. I usually do 2 coats, but I'm just doing 1 coat here because I change my nails really frequently. But yeah, I use this on my clients and it lasts a long time. The acrylic I'm using today is Sweet Pea Pink by Like a Boss Nail Company, and the monomer I'm using is from Young Nails. This acrylic, I love the color. It's really pretty, but I must say the formula is actually really runny. I feel like it'll be perfect for beginners because it takes a little while to set. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that. finishing up with laying my acrylic, and I will say I love the fact that this acrylic is a cover acrylic, so you don't need to encapsulate it with clear, which saves so much time. So I'm just shaping my nails with the 80/80 grit nail file.
That no other eyes reveal. That no other eyes reveal.
So now I'm using my e-file to finish off the nails. I'm using my Young Nails buffer to buff the nails. I washed my hands, now I'm cleansing the nails off with Young Nail Swipe. And then I'm going to finish off the nails with my gel top coat. So now I'm just adding some bling, and as you can see, I'm using a crayon. I was spending so much money on the wax pens and wax pencils, and I decided why not use a box of crayons. They're wax and they're much cheaper. Now that my set is done, I'm going to use the Young Nails rose oil and apply it to my cuticles and rub that in. I absolutely love how this kit came out. It came out very classy. I'm usually doing like bright colors or so many designs on my nails, so I just decided to go simple. And again, I love how it came out. And here's a picture of the nails in natural lighting.